Welcome to the Lunar Light experience today. How are we today? I hope you have had a good week. It is Friday. It is exciting. If my makeup is looking a bit janky, it's because it's been on my face all day. I'm going to show you a few things that I've bought. We're going to do a little haul. Because it's not a lot of clothing and not a lot of beauty products, I figured I would just smash them together in one big happy sandwich. So let's begin with the makeup, and one of these you've already seen me using in one of my previous Get Ready With Me videos, and it's the I Heart Revolution Coconut Scented Baking Powder. I wanted to show you this because it smells so good. It has a nice lovely coconut scent to it. Loose face powders in general, you know, are very messy and I'm not generally a fan of them. This one has won me over. It's so good. We just enjoy this very much. It's a very nice face powder, so I will definitely be repurchasing this. It doesn't crease, it doesn't give me like dry patches anywhere, it doesn't settle in lines, and I love it. It's so good. So that was only £5, which honestly not half bad. Next we've got a trio of products to show you. I'm showing you them all together because they were 3 for 2 in Superdrug, and I got one of the things here for free. We appreciate that. Got 2 face primers. The first one is the Peach Delight from I Heart Revolution, and this is a mattifying primer and it's got vitamin C and E in it. Now, I was hoping this would smell like peaches, but it really doesn't. It's got such a faint smell. Almost smells like nothing. A little bit disappointed, gotta be honest with you. And I had a sniff of this one. The Coconut Dream. This is a hydrating primer, and again it's got the same vitamins in it, C and E. This one actually does have a scent to it. It's coconutty and it is really good. I'm just really sad because I've already got like a coconut face powder, and I was thinking, like, I understand like some people don't like scented products, but I mean, I was hoping it was gonna smell like peaches. I love the smell of peaches. I love fruity scents. The Peach Perfect foundation from Too Faced, that smells really good. Then we have the Brightening Makeup Fixing Spray, and this is pineapple. It's got sort of a hint. Does it smell like pineapple though? A little bit. Not much, honestly. Again, slightly disappointed because I was hoping it would be a bit more tropical, but it does have a sort of subtle tropical vibe to it, which, alright, I can deal with that. I've only used it the one time. I don't have a review of it yet, and again, I haven't used this one. I've used the peach. I've only tried them one time, so I can't give you an extensive review just yet. Yeah, I like them. So far, so good. I got myself a Mega Last Liquid Catsuit lipstick from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Rebel Rose. That is what it looks like. It's a pretty wearable colour. It's like a dusky rose. On myself, it is a little bit darker than what it looks like in the tube, which forever, that's always happening to me because I'm fair skinned. It's either ghastly too light, or it's just like dark and that's it. I just don't have an in-between, but I do like it all the same. It is a pretty colour. Bear in mind I do have my light in here at the moment, so it is looking a little bit brighter than, and obviously it's on the back of my hand as well, so it does look a little bit brighter, but yeah, I like it. Very wearable. I like wearable lipsticks just because it's easy to wear. I don't have to worry about whether it's all over my teeth. You know that paranoia when you're opening your mouth, you're thinking, now if I got lipstick on my teeth and nobody said, do you know what? I've got a story about lipstick on teeth. I'll tell you this. This bitchy man from a certain supermarket. So I went there, didn't realise I had lipstick on my teeth. And there's this snarky little bitch in the corner over here. It was like, just randomly decided to speak to me as I was checking out. He was like, oh, he said something similar to along the lines of, oh, you look nice when you smile, or something like that. And I was like, okay, it's a little sus, seeing this out of the blue, but whatever. If you're trying to be nice, then I appreciate that. But this bitch. See, what had really happened is I had lipstick on my teeth, and I feel like it was trying to shade me. Could have told me it was there. You could have. You didn't. Yeah, bitch. Being the fair-skinned person that I am, who sizzles beneath the rays of the sun, I start cooking basically. Festival's coming up soon, and generally I like to wear SPF when I go outside, you know, whatever the weather, because you should. It's a good idea. The problem was like the ones that I tried on my face broke me out. All were really greasy, or they stung my eyes to hell and back. And now I finally found one that I absolutely love. It doesn't sting my eyes, it doesn't stink, it's not greasy, it's just, it doesn't mess my makeup up. I picked up the Nivea Sun Anti-Age, Anti-Pigment, Q10, SPF 50 face cream. And this is so good. Oh my god. It's not greasy, it sinks in really nicely. This is definitely, it's just nice to finally find something that doesn't make me break out as well, because a lot of them do, and or they sting actually for some reason, even some of them that haven't got ingredients in them that would necessarily sting your skin. So I really appreciate this. Micellar wipes from Simple. I needed a spare pack. Now we're on to the fun clothing part of the haul. Yay! I did a little Killstar haul in their sale recently. They had a sale on dresses for £15, and I picked up a dress, and I also picked up something else. These are the Believe in Magic stockings. I have not taken them out of the box yet. Well, actually that's a lie. I have taken them out, but I haven't taken them out of the actual packaging inside. So I've just popped them back in the box for now, because I don't want to ruin them or tear them, because we know what we are like with fishnet tights and tights in general, so we're being cautious. I really love the pattern on these, they're really cute. Don't know how I'll style them just yet, but you know, if you want to see a video of me styling these, let me know. Do you know what I thought was really nice with this order as well, by the way? I'm going completely off track here, but they also threw in some free stickers. I thought that was so sweet. It's just like, as I was like, oh, I didn't order stickers, did I get somebody else's? But I think I should chuck them in for free. And I'm not gonna complain, I mean, they're really cute. Now, the dress that I bought in the £15 sale was this one. This is the Nightwire dress. So this is a halter neck dress, and it has a shredded effect the whole way down, and it's actually a little bit asymmetric on the bottom. I wasn't sure on the rip style of this at first, but then I looked at the pictures and they, you know, those little videos that they have. We're back! My camera decided that my memory card was full, so I had to go sort that out. It's quite long. I will show you in the try on clip, but it has a sort of asymmetric bottom to it, where it's shorter and then longer. The whole thing is just like this ripped, distressed effect. Now, I admit, when I saw this in the pictures initially, I was like, I like that a lot. And then I thought to myself, oh, do I like it? I don't know. And then I watched the video clip that they put up of the model actually, like, you know, showing the actual dress itself. And I was like, ooh, I like it. Overall, this is a really nice casual dress just to throw on and go out. I mean, you could dress it up if you wanted to, with some, maybe with a little belt. But I mean, for me, I feel like the distress pattern on it is very sort of busy looking on its own. So I feel like it carries itself, but certainly you could dress it up any way that you wanted to. But I really like how stretchy and soft it is and how comfortable it is. This is also quite lightweight despite how heavy it might look. So it's nice and breezy, you know, for the summertime. I had another really good deal off Vinted for one of Killstar's tops. Very happy about it. I picked up one of the distress tops, and this is the Moonchild one. It has the straps and then like sort of an off the shoulder sleeve, and then the little design on the front is pretty cute. Now, I did have a little issue with this. Yeah, I found a little hole in the sleeve which wasn't mentioned in the listing itself, so that wasn't very cool. You know, it was a bit of a bummer. I was like, oh man, it has a hole in it, why? So that's, I'm gonna have to try and repair, but you know, for the most part, the rest of it is in really good condition. It was a bit disappointing, but you know, the seller was pretty fair about it, so you know, credit where credit's due. I really wanted a long cardigan. Now, I used to have one that was like asymmetric on the ends. It just kind of hung down at the side longer and then went up in the front and the back, and I loved it so much. I just wore it to absolute death, like literally till I could wear it no more. Still like missing that cardigan. I loved it, but I picked up another one. This is actually from Matalan, of all the places. I love when I find something that I really like in a popular store because it's just like, yes, this is easy for me to access, it's a good price cardigan. Now Pointel Knit is apparently this one where it has the holes. I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that I am the Olympic knitting champion and that I know all about these things, because I don't. It's long sleeved, nice and long, nice and flowy and light. That's the main sort of reason that I wanted this, is just to have something I could put over my shoulders, keep me a bit protected from the sun, but not so, you know, heavy and thick and hot that I would, you know, pass out in the heat. Yeah, I love this. It's really soft and stretchy and comfortable. I would have ordinarily picked up a size M, but they only had the large and I really liked it, and I was like, oh, screw it, I'll just go one size up, who cares? So it's nice to have something that will sort of protect my shoulders and my arm from the sun, because I burn. It's nice to have protection. You know, be safe, kids. That is the end of today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed this, and please let me know what type of videos you would like to see in the comments. I really appreciate any feedback, any ideas that you have, anything that you want to see. I will do my best, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.